In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Google Sheets document so you can see the sheet where you want the text to appear. Make sure the sheet you want to work on is active and give it a moment to load so the menus at the top are fully available. Next, go to the top menu and click Insert. This is where Google Sheets keeps most of the objects you can place on top of your grid. From that menu, choose Drawing. When you select Drawing, a separate window opens over your sheet. Think of this as a small canvas where you can create and format elements before placing them into your spreadsheet. Inside the Drawing window, look for the text box icon on the toolbar. It looks like a square with a capital T inside. Click that icon to activate the text box tool. Now move your cursor into the canvas area, click, and drag to draw the text box to the size you want. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always resize it later. Once you release the mouse, the box is ready for typing. Go ahead and type the text you want to insert. If you need multiple lines, press Enter to break the line. Keep your message clear and concise so it's easy to read over the spreadsheet. When your text looks good, click the Save and Close button in the top right corner of the drawing window. This places the text box onto your sheet as an object that sits above the cells. It won't be inside a specific cell, so if you sort or filter the sheet, the text box stays where you placed it. From here, you can move, resize, or edit the text box by clicking on it. To move it, hover until your cursor becomes a four-sided arrow, then click and drag to a new spot. To resize, use the small blue handles around the edges and corners, dragging them in or out to adjust the shape. You'll also see a circular handle for rotation if you want to tilt the text slightly. To edit the text or formatting later, double-click the box to reopen the drawing window, make your changes, and click Save and Close again. If the box overlaps other elements, you can drag it to a clearer area so it doesn't block your data. And that's it. Simple, flexible, and a great way to add labels or notes right on your sheet.